All right, I'm going to save you a meeting. If you have ever built a dashboard, a report, any internal tool with a chart in it, for somebody who is not a data person, you have watched them stare at it, nod politely, and then ask you the exact question the chart was supposed to answer. That is not them being slow. That is the chart failing. And I have rebuilt enough of these for non-technical people to tell you it is almost always the same 3 mistakes. None of them are about the data. All of them are about whether a busy human can read the thing in 5 seconds. So, rule 1, technically correct is not the same as readable. Here is a classic one. You make a scatter plot, you start the axis at 0 because that feels like the honest thing to do, and every point gets crushed into one tiny corner. The data is all there. Nobody can see any of it. The fix is boring and it just works. Scale the range to where your data actually lives. Let the points breathe. A chart is not trying to survive a courtroom. It is trying to be read. Rule 2. Overlapping labels quietly kill trust. You ship it. 2 numbers land on top of each other. 1 label runs off the edge, and the person looking at it does not think, minor layout bug. They think, this is broken. And now they do not trust a single number on the screen. So I make the labels collision aware. If 2 of them would overlap, 1 moves. If a label would fall off the edge, it gets pulled back in. Unglamorous work. It is the whole difference between a tool and a toy. Rule 3, and this is the one almost nobody does. Show the conclusion, not just the data. Most charts dump the numbers on the table and make the human do the thinking. The good ones are built so the insight is the shape itself. I had one where the point was simply, the further you drift from the right setting, the worse it gets, slower and less consistent. The old version was a cloud of dots you had to squint at. The new one is 2 curves that both climb as you move away from the center. You do not read it, you feel it. And one bonus rule, because I learned this one the hard way, always leave an escape hatch. The second you filter down to just the important stuff, some sharp person is going to want to see everything you hid. Give them a show all button. If you do not, they assume you are hiding the inconvenient numbers, and you have lost them for good. That is the whole list. Scale to the data, never let labels collide, design for the conclusion, and let people see everything when they ask. None of this is clever. It is just the gap between a chart that is correct and a chart that actually gets used. And if you build tools that other people have to live inside, closing that gap is not a detail. It is the job. Go close it.